Good morning and welcome, guys and girls. And I just wanted to say thank you for your support and for, well, just overall watching my videos. I know they're boring now, but that is because I am still very sick and it's 3 months already. I thought I would have already been healed by now, but it looks like it's not happening so fast as I wanted it to happen. So, yeah, I guess I just have to be patient and let my body do the recovery for me. And then I just wanted to say a little on later in my recovery when I do feel better and things like that. Stay tuned because there's going to be a lot of wild things that I would share with you guys, that I am able to share with you guys. That's not so wicked, but it's crazy. And some of the more epic things I will explain, but I will show evidence, and then I will also just sugarcoat it a little bit so that they don't take the video down, because they did it to me like 2-3 times. Don't look at my underarms, okay? I am going to bath today, and I'm also gonna bath my cat. And yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that as an addict or an ex-addict, I learned things about the law and the police which I will never trust ever again in my whole life. And if they are watching this video, you know very well why I don't trust you. So you can't actually blame me for not trusting you. Because they don't do their job. They take the law in their own hands, and some of them tell you straight to your face, I am the law, and what are you going to do about it? So here, I recorded many things during my usage, and I don't put it in my phone. I'm not that stupid. I keep it safe